Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned, what is real and fabricated, what is wrong, what is my problem.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how I made this Ponytail ponytail crochet wig. For this wig I use half pack of expression braid extension in color 1. This is black. So to start with, I'm going to prep the attachment, like stretch it, brush it, and then it's ready for use. Also, if you have a pre-stretch hair, you can use a pre-stretch hair. It just saves you the time using prepping the braid extension, stretching it, brushing it. It just saves you those time. All you just have to do is just use your extension. But I don't have a pre-stretch hair now. That is why I'm stretching it and then brushing it before I use it. Now this is what the ends of the braid extension looks like now. I'm just going to go ahead and coil the braid extension, and to coil the braid extension I'm using a bendy roller to coil the braid extension, and this is the big size of the bendy rollers. If you don't have this big size of the bendy rollers, you can use the smaller one, but if you want your coils to be bold like what I have here, you just have to increase the quantity of the braid extension you want to coil. That way your coils will be bold. So right now I'm just going to show you guys how I did this. I'm not like twisting it, I'm just rolling it on the rollers. You know, like I'm not twisting it before I roll it on the rollers. I'm just taking my hand and just passing it on the rollers. Now this process took me around 30 minutes to 1 hour to coil all the braid extension to the rollers, and it is very much easy to do. It doesn't take time to coil braid extension.
But I guess I gotta face it. I'm so tired of being faceless.
I don't wanna keep on wasting life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing the mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless. What is wrong? What is my problem? What can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting the storm.
After rolling the braid extension, the next thing to do is to put it in hot water. So I'm going to pour hot water on it and allow it to sit for a minute or two before I take it out from the water and then unravel it. Now you can allow it to dry before you unravel it, or you can unravel it while it's still wet. It still gives you the same thing. It's all the same thing. But if you're just starting out, or if it's your first time of trying it, I would advise that you unravel it when it is wet, so that way it will not like scatter, it will not scatter, or it will not go bad. Because when you do it when it is dried, it tends to like go bad easily. But when it is dried, when it is wet, it's kind of old because the water is still on it. And then leave it to dry before you crochet it to your wig cap, or use it to do whatever you want to use it for.
Yeah, unknown brain, Marvin Divine, and we back. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Made it through the rain, I turned nothing into something. No more dealing with the assumptions, cause I do what.
Alright guys, now I'm going to make the pineapple ponytail cap, because I do not have like a ready-made cap for it. I don't know if there's a ready-made cap for it, but I don't have it. So I'm going to construct the pineapple ponytail wig cap out of this wig cap here. I'm just going to cut out the shape that I want from this wig cap here. I'm just going to allow you guys to watch this process. And please guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel at this point of the video, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you get notified whenever I put out a new video. And please give this video a huge thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section.
I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless. Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned, what is real and fabricated, what is wrong, what is...
So this is the shape of the pineapple ponytail wig cap. This is what I cut out, and this is what I'm going to use to make the wig. So right now I'm just going to crochet the braid to the wig cap, and to do this you can either separate the braids before you cut it into two and then fold and crochet to the wig cap, or you can crochet, like you can just fold it and then crochet to the wig cap. And what I did all through was to just fold it and crochet to the wig cap. I did not separate the coils because I want it to be bold. I want the coils to be bold, and I want it to be like, I want it to last a lot more, because when you separate it, it tends to scatter and the coils might not just last that long, or it will just get too rough and go bad easily. So I did not separate the coils for this ponytail that I did. I only just fold it into two, cut the end, and then crochet to the wig cap. I'm going to show you guys a closer look of how I crocheted it to the wig cap, despite the fact that it is bold and it still did not tear the net, or it still did not tear my wig cap. So I'm going to show you guys a closer look of how I crocheted the both sides of this braid extension to the wig cap.
Made it through the rain and rain, I turn nothing into something. No more dealing with their assumptions, cause I do what I gotta do and I know, can't nobody do it like me. All they do is judge me for who I might be. Maybe if they took some time to pick my mind to see that I'm cooler than lemons and iced tea. All I wanna do is live it up with the homies. Everybody really talking as if they know me, but I guess I gotta face it. I'm so tired of being faceless.
I don't wanna keep on wasting life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing the mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless. Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned, what is real and fabricated, what is wrong, what is my problem, what can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting the storms in my head, don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to, no one understands, shit's too complicated. Away, and I feel like I am someone else. Away, and I feel like I don't know myself, no. Away, and I feel like I don't know my name. And I don't want to live this way.
This is the wig cap. Like, this is the wig after I finished crocheting it. This is what it looks like. This is what the inside look like. So the next thing now is to sew in wig comb and a drawstring. I sewed in two wig comb, one at the top and one at the down, and then I sewed in a drawstring, like a ponytail drawstring, just so the wig stays very secured.
Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine, and we back. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Made it through the rain and rain, I turn nothing into something. No more dealing with their assumptions, cause I do what I gotta do and I know.
So right now I'm going to install this wig and show you how to wear it. Basically, you just want to put the first comb, like use the first comb at the back to secure it before you use the drawstring to tie it, and then use the other comb to drag it to the front and then just spin it, and that way you have your pineapple ponytail look or you have your desired look. Now this wig can go for a 2-in-1. Like you can use this for your normal ponytail, and also you can use this for a pineapple ponytail look, and it's just beautiful. This wig or this ponytail, I keep calling it a wig, it's a wig, right? Okay, this ponytail or this wig is beautiful and I so love it.
What is wrong? What is my problem? How can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting the storms in my head. Don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to. No one understands, this shit's too complicated. Away, and I feel like I am someone else. Away, and I feel like I don't know myself, no. Away, and I feel like I don't know my name.
Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this wig. It's beautiful, it's cute, and I'm loving it. Please leave your comment in the comment section, and do not forget to smash the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed already, and let me know if you want to see this wig in different colors, also in different coils pattern. Leave that in the comment section because I'll be more than glad to make that video for you guys. Until next time, stay blessed and beautiful as always. Love you guys. Bye bye.
Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine, and we back. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Made it through the rain and rain, I turn nothing into something. No more dealing with their assumptions, cause I do what I gotta do and I know. Can't nobody do it like me. All they do is judge me for who I might be. Maybe if they took some time to pick my mind, they see that I'm cooler than lemons tonight.